Welcome. We are going to be installing the laundry ball system on a Dexter green LED. First thing we're going to do is remove the soap tray. Open the lid and remove the 4 screws holding it in place. Once this is completed, you're going to unlock the washer. First we're going to do is hook up the coin side. The coin side is represented by the 2 yellow wires you see in front of you. Proceed to take the tap and put it onto the yellow wires, making sure they smoothly move back and forth. Insert the blue wire into the back of one of the crimp taps. Crimp till it is flush. And then proceed to insert the green into the other tap. Crimp till it is flush. Pull on the wires to make sure they are secure. And then proceed to close the top of the crimp taps. In this situation, you can see that green is going to be on the inside and blue is going to be on the outside. If you are not receiving coin connection after the laundry bar system is hooked up, swap these wires. Make sure to run the wires under any bars or overhangs to protect them from being cut. We are now going to hook up the blue and the brown speed connectors. We are going to connect them to blue to the white on the power block and brown to the black on the power block. They should slide easily onto the power block. Make sure to tie up your wires. Welcome. We are going to be installing the laundry ball system on a Dexter green LED. First thing we're going to do is remove the soap tray. Open the lid and remove the 4 screws holding it in place. Once this is completed, you're going to unlock the washer. One possible configuration for the coin mech is a red, green, and blue wire. You will also have a different terminal block with this configuration. Hook up the green laundry balls wire with the green coin mechanism wire, making sure that the tab slides smoothly and the wires are smoothly in the chamber. And then squeeze the crimps flush. Then close the top of the tab. Next, place the blue laundry box wire into the rear of the blue coin mechanism wire. Once the wires are inside of the tap, crimp it flush and close the tap. We are then going to hook up the speed connector. The blue speed connector is going to be connected to the white terminal. We will then take the brown speed connector and hook it to the black terminal. Make sure to run the wires under any bars or overhangs to protect them from being cut. Attach the MIB connector to the MIB and then remove the plastic from the Velcro on both the MIB and the transformer. Find a comfortable place that you can fit the MIB without wires being interfered with. Affix the transformer to a place that is in a comfortable position. Proceed to tuck your wires away and tie them up. Make sure that none of the wires are running over any sharp edges. If you have installed it correctly, it should look like this. Once finished, put the lid back on and re-secure the soap tray.